how to get your Instagram link. If you ever need to share your Instagram profile with someone, you can do that by copying your profile link. Your Instagram link is a direct way for people to visit your profile without searching for your username. To get your Instagram link, first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Your Instagram profile link is based on your username. To find your username, look at the top of your profile page, right under your profile picture. Make sure to copy your username exactly as it appears, including any dots, underscores, or special characters. Now, to create your profile link, you need to use this format: instagram.com/yourusername. If you want to copy the link to share it, open any web browser on your phone or computer. In the address bar, type instagram.com/ followed by your username and then press enter. This will open your Instagram profile in the browser. Once your profile is open in the browser, tap on the address bar at the top of the screen. Select the full URL, then tap Copy. Your Instagram link is now copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere, such as in a message, email, or document. That's how to get your Instagram link.